My name's Jeff Audis. Now, this is the South Terminal maintenance area for the Shuttle system. This is where the Shuttle team do all of their nightly maintenance and daytime routine tasks. So we're a team of 12 technicians, all of us on shift, working 24 hours. Yeah, each train's done around 700,000 miles now, so 100,000 a year. It's been in for 7 years. They take about 1.5 to 2 minutes to get from one end to the other, and it stays in the station for about a minute. So the pressure for us is to keep the system running during our core hours. Anything that happens that can stop that, we can minimise it by locking things off and waiting till our maintenance periods to get at them to try and fix them. If we don't keep on top of our work schedule, the worst thing is the safety part of the system is affected. So we must keep on top of our maintenance in order to keep it as safe as possible for the passengers. It affects everything really, so we just have to keep on top of everything and try and think ahead to what the next problem could be or the next thing we can do to stop problems occurring in the first place. But yeah, this is where all the work goes on. So if you hear a disco at night, we're doing some hard work.